I would tend to agree that a content-based focused promotion is far more effective than an in-person meeting. That is what I would summarize. In the current scheme of things, that would be far more effective. And I would subscribe to that idea. He's asked a very pertinent question. Are sellers ready to change? I mean, do we have any option at this point of time? The sellers have no option but to change and meet the expectations of the customer. But more than that, Rajesh, what I would like to tell you that today the customer's expectation is something uh, which has never been met before. Like example, in case of technology, where he is bought in, the enterprise solutions, which has always been bought in the form of a capital expenditure on assets, he's now looking at variabilizing some of these also in the form of an OPEX mode. So he's looking at every possible CapEx to convert into OPEX. So the challenge is not only for the seller to cope up, but it is also a challenge for the organization and the businesses to evolve their business models, because there is a complete change and a disruption in the business model itself. So today, whatever was erstwhile being offered on a capitalized basis on an asset is being looked at today as an expectation from customer that he would want you to offer that on a OPEX based model. So how do you convert your financial modeling? How do you change your business model rapidly, quickly, so that you are able to respond to these needs? And these are not going to be short term, they're going to be a long term. So I see this trend not just going to be a short term, but going to be a long term. So it's not just about the seller coping up with the challenge of the expectations of the buyer, but also the business models rapidly changing because of this disruption which is happening on account of this pandemic, and the change in the models which are likely to evolve, and how fast the organization is going to adapt to these changes will ensure that he will remain in the business. Else you will be left out.